Dear Dream, don't hide me ID. Then you know see what go on with Jahcure. Him man look like him fi get a prisoner no better rose. So two foreign girl come down and I spend some time with him. Them a live in a house, better the upper if I pay go sustain the day. Them have the AC on and left the door open. And them a drive around in a car like him a do tourist stores for the weekend. Dream, the girl then did a live nice. Them never know say them woulda find nobody in this world to love them like he do. Dream, so while all of this a go on, Jahcure everything in mind say anytime he need a lover, he could call upon them girl ya. So Dream, when him nature start call him, he make them know what he was longing for. But the catty them say no. Dream, no pum pum them never want run. And Jahcure did a think him have unconditional love. So Dream, all of this make Jahcure get mad. And he look like he forget both behind those prison walls. He look like him forget a prisoner no better roses. Cause him start threatening them. He start threatening the girl them to give him back his money or give him some front. He say him a go beat them up like when you wash dirty rug. Him say him a go broke their hand and kick them out of house if him no get the pum pum. Dream, all of that go on. Post this for me.
Epicflows production. Epicflows.
And remember that my cousin cannot take her nowhere. Yeah, you better take care of her. We call it Kingston and fuck her boy then. One more one, pussy you take me from. Send back my money now, you know. I'm going back the whole of my money. If you not fuck her now, I want back both of my money from you and her. That's my mushing up in there.
Okay, I don't know how much my ticket was. How much was it?
Oh. It was fucking 600. And hers, if I don't fuck her now, she has to pay me back too.
We'll both pay back.
Right now.
That's fine. Your Wi-Fi doesn't work up here. We have to go downstairs.
Girl, I'm ready. Let's go down there. Go do it.
Can we finish packing this
Yeah.
after we leave? Okay.
Y'all don't like fucking peace. Y'all like to fuck up. I've been watching you all morning with a little sneaky movement. Because you like to fuck around men and make problems. I'm watching you in the front of my car and you can't blocking me with a lot of girls that they see you in the car and you're nothing up. Like me and you dead. So when you don't know when you left in this fucking predicament like, oh, I see Jahcure fucking this girl that was in Kingston fucking this dancer boy in my front of my car, and this shit boy don't think that me and them is fucking size. Some shit boy that beat you in the face over some shit girl. Huh? And then you come and feel like you can't style me.
I'm just going to leave back and we'll get on your way.
Yeah, just fucking tell you what that's done. You like to fuck around. I saw you. I observed all morning. You noticed last night? I never came in here begging a pussy. I came here and I lied and I said you are acting funny. You trying to act like you said some of this.
You know that I have kidney disease and diabetes. I can literally show you when
You don't push you me nothing. Fuck off, you're lucky. I broke one broke on your hand. You take me for pussy. Cause you see when I tell you so no problem. You know how much woman I could have spent and take that pan and enjoy myself and then now so much problem I give me. First thing when I did this when the night go out and buckle like beach and left me. And build up after that story for me. You know this me, you know. I beat me for beat the 200 on the house, you know. Hey, let this one buckle out for the table. Because first of all, this is not this for good. Things that's how we put it on the we're coming in the house and have AC turned on. And one buckle like door open for much hours. Of course, when I take me for a walk. Even if I go to a hotel, you can have a fucking AC and I tell you, window open.
Okay.
If you like they come from left a big light bill on me, you know what money that's going to cost me? You make sure you clean up the fucking room on the left.
Okay.
And if all time the pay number, the money for the side on the left, you rest. Me on no problem.
I don't have PayPal, so I download it, but I got you.
PayPal too. One thing I'm sure of, my cousin that ain't taking none of you.
We said
Nowhere.
we'll get a cab, so we just want to leave right now.
I'm just telling you. You know my cousin. You make sure one of
We're
them
not
see
going
I'm
to say a
still
word
far.
to them.
Oh. Kill them, remember I'm telling you that. You know what I'm trying to make me can sell me out.
Is there a trash can somewhere? No.
There's a garbage downstairs. You've been up here for all day, you know that there's no trash can up here.
That's why we have